In the previous video, we explored wormholes, mysterious shortcuts across the universe. But even with wormholes, we still face a major obstacle: speed. To truly conquer space, we need a solution that allows us to travel far faster than the speed of light. This is where the concept of the warp drive comes in. In most space-based adventure stories, the ability to travel quickly from point A to point B is crucial. But aside from wormholes, achieving this with a conventional spacecraft presents several major challenges. First, there's the massive amount of fuel required, then the destructive effects of acceleration, and finally, the universe's strict speed limit, the speed of light. The speed of light limits how fast anything can move through space, precisely 1 light-year per year. In the grand scale of the universe, this is not fast at all. The nearest star, Proxima Centauri, is 4.2 light-years away from Earth, while the center of our galaxy is a staggering 27,000 light-years away. Fortunately, there's a loophole in this cosmic speed limit. It only applies to objects moving through space. As Einstein explained, space itself can be distorted, and this opens up a new possibility. Instead of moving faster through space, we might manipulate the space around a spacecraft. This means that while the spacecraft would still travel at a speed lower than the speed of light, the space around it could move faster than that. This is the fundamental idea behind the warp drive in the Star Trek series. When the writers introduced the concept in the 1960s, it was just a plausible-sounding term, not based on real physics. However, in 1994, theoretical physicist Miguel Alcubierre found a solution to Einstein's equations that created a real warp drive effect. His theory involved contracting space in front of the ship and expanding it behind. Initially, Alcubierre's solution was just as improbable as a traversable wormhole, but scientists have been refining it ever since, hoping that one day it might become a practical reality. With a warp drive, we could imagine traveling to distant stars in just days, or even hours. But is it truly possible? While these sci-fi concepts remain theoretical for now, ongoing scientific research could one day turn them into reality. This brings us to the conclusion of our 8-video series. From ideas that once seemed purely fictional, we've seen that many are not only possible, but rooted in solid scientific foundations. The future, it seems, may be far more wondrous and vast than we ever imagined.